Alright guys, we're going to do a revised fire alarm tour of the world of Disney. Here we have a rebranded wheel-lock speaker strobe by Siemens. Basically, I'm going to revise this tour that I did a few years ago because it wasn't really good, so we're going to improve it. Some more rebranded Siemens wheel-lock alarms. Let's go around. Another speaker strobe over there. I'm still looking. I don't think are there any pole stations in here at all? They definitely renovated this place. They changed this place up, or I'm in a different part of it. Because the last fire alarm tour I did here, we had Gentex alarms. Now we have like rebranded wheel-lock speaker strobes that are branded with Siemens. And here's one right here. There we go. I have to be really careful because I don't want to look like I'm causing any weirdness or any of that stuff, you know what I mean? Have another Siemens wheel-lock AS look-alike speaker strobe. Let's imagine if there's like more. Oh, maybe there isn't. They fully changed this because they used to have Gentex alarms. Now it has wheel-lock alarms. Here we have a Siemens MS51 on a cover plate and another Siemens / wheel-lock speaker strobe. I don't know the exact model of it, but if anybody tells me in the comments of what the model of it is, tell me. Have to go through here. Cool Toy Story stuff. Childhood nostalgia in a nutshell right there. And going over here, we have another Siemens MS51 with another wheel-lock speaker strobe. Here's the Cars stuff. This is even more nostalgic. Basically, I'm doing a basic tour of the world of Disney. Refrigerator as usual. I hope I'm not getting lost. They definitely changed this place up a little bit. Okay, look at here. Yellow shirts. I'm trying to fill in. I'm gonna end the video soon because there's really not much interest here other than another wheel-lock speaker strobe.